Many business owners and salespeople complain that there are so many low-cost options available in the market. Buyers want us to match their price if we have to be in business. Our conversion rates are less because of cheap options available. Then they go on to say that we are quality conscious. We never compromise on quality and commitment. We are true to our words and we deliver what we promise. Whereas the other competitors offer substandard quality. They cut corners and they don't pay taxes, or they deal in cash, or they don't have technical staff like us, or they don't have their own manufacturing facility like us. We also say that customers do not understand the difference between good quality and bad quality. Customers just look at the price. Order always goes to L1. When I analyze this argument, I see few beliefs behind this, which may or may not be aware of. The underlying beliefs are to reduce costs, they are compromising on the quality or something else. Clients buy only on price. Orders are won only by giving lower price. These two beliefs can be completely wrong. And anyway, they don't help us in any manner. They don't improve our sales skills. It is like being the victim or being the effect of a cause that is not in your control. Even if this was true, you cannot anyways do anything about it because you cannot control others. But you can change what you are doing by being aware of the reality. Let's crack first myth that others are compromising on quality to reduce price. Now, if I ask 100 business owners, all 100 tell me that they are quality conscious, they don't reduce price by cutting corners or compromising on quality. But majority of other competitors do it. Surprisingly, I am yet to come across a single business owner from that majority who says my game plan is to supply at a lower price. So it is some kind of a story that we are telling ourselves and we are believing in it. Or is it just an assumption? Now, other than this, I know for sure some of your competitors have better sourcing. They are better at negotiating with vendors. They get volume discounts, which you cannot even imagine, or they produce in an efficient manner. Or they could compensate low margin product with high margin product in their entire scope. Or they are just better salespeople. Have you thought of all these possibilities before assuming that they compromise only on quality? Now, second myth. Buyers buy only on price. They don't understand the quality. Orders are won only by giving lower price. Now, this is again a very baseless assumption. Let me ask you, do you buy anything just because it is low price? We don't buy anything looking at price alone. Right from buying a shirt to buying a mobile or a car or a house. In fact, higher the value, we stop looking at price and we start looking at the value. And I assume all of you who are listening to me will agree with me that you don't buy on price alone. Then who are these people who buy only on price? Why would anyone buy a critical machinery or a project just because someone is giving it at a lower price? If buyers were to buy on price alone, salespeople will be jobless. You can hire great estimation guys and value engineering guys to reduce your price. Try sending some low price quotations and see if you can convert more. That's a challenge. Now let's understand that buyers do not buy on price. They buy based on the information that they have, obviously to evaluate who is better choice. Problem is we don't provide them with all that information to evaluate. We just give them the offer with specifications and price. They compare specifications, scope, and then go with the approved technical scope at best price. Our job is to shift their focus from price to value. Make them aware of the value they get when they work with you, not just the price that you have quoted. This can happen only when you have multiple interactions, discussion, need analysis, rapport building, using the right conversation technique, etc. And of course, this is more to do with developing their trust and confidence in you. This can be learned. The rapport building, conversation techniques. In fact, we teach this and make sure that you sell the value and not get into a price war. Look, negotiations are inevitable, but the focus can always dilute from price and shift towards value. Hope this helps. Let me know what you think about this. See ya.